swap around your elixir cost. Oh, three elixir. Not elixir gold. You know what? I'll take it. Fine, whatever. I hate that giant skeleton. I hate it so much. I'm not even here to play the spirits. They're just here to look pretty and maybe cycle sometimes. For real, for real. Eight elixir. Alright, we got a cycle spirit. One elixir golem. Let's play a 9 elixir elixir. Oh, those arrows took out my 9 elixir electro spirit. Take this with the tank. Oh, 3M. I'm not feeling so hot right now. Wait, 3M in the pocket. 1 elixir golem. 3 elixir golem. Clone! Everything gonna say you're right. 2 elixir golem. Let's do electro giant over 3 musketeers. 1 elixir golem. Oh, I'm regretting this right now. Oh, but we got 1 elixir electro giant. I'll take it. And here's the beauty of it. I don't even feel bad about using 8 elixir in the year. Alright, how do we do this? What do I do this? I might need to push that magic archer. Yeah. Oh, they use electro wizard to buy 1 elixir electro giant. Not bad.
Kalmo ka ba?
So what if I do 3 of clone with ice golem? Really low elixir stuff with 1 high elixir card. That's not bad. We'll play 3 out. And now we're going to elixir to mirror. Mirror breaks this challenge. I love it. I love it so much.
Sige, tingnan ko nga, sir. Ha? Alfred?
The arrows, it kind of counters me. Ish. 1 elixir 3M. It's a mirror 9 elixir. 1 card's gonna get 9 elixir.
Wow.
Nabasa aja ko, sir. Ito ako gabi.
Zero Robux out good idea. Make sure to like and subscribe. There is a tutorial at the end on how to make an outro. To unlock the cheerleader outfit and Robux first.
What a beautiful day. The pizza is chirping. The cars are not working. What a beautiful day. The pizza is chirping. The cars are not working. The babies are being run over. Ooh, I wonder what my good friend
Stephanie Mayome.
Pinalim mo?
Morning. She stubbed her toe just had a beaver trigger.
Ano yun yung
Leave my
tao?
own life. Are you okay?
Oo nga. Ano man?
Always possible.
Kasi na.
Listen on me, because I haven't talked to her in 20 days. I'm sorry. You see what I'm saying? I really love you, babe. I didn't give $100. I just picked it up. It's really well made. It really illustrates how angry this is. Stephanie, my wife. That was really loud. That was me saying, Stephanie, my only
Paciente. Okay. Pasemos. Espera ahí, por favor. Saludos, saludos, corazón, ¿cómo estás? Ok, bebé, ok. Listo, dame cara. Relajadita. Vamos, eso es. Perfecto, al otro lado, al otro lado. Ok, bebé, dame cara, dame cara. Vamos, te lo digo. Ahí, suéltate, ven. Mira eso. Mira nomás cuánto cachete me lleva la placa. Ok, bebé, vamos a la luna. Mirando aquí, bebé, mirando aquí. Muy linda, párate un poquito. De ladito, sacando un poquito el cuerpo hacia atrás. Perfecto, ahí. Sí, así, eso es. Ahí. De la misma manera del otro lado. Muy linda, bella, bebé. Ahí, mirando para acá, eso es. Ahora, vamos a darle un glamour ahí, siéntate. Se me de frente. Relajada, relajada. Ahora ábreme la pierna un poquito. Más que no se sienta cómoda.